Sit down, Professor.
His heart is beating way too fast.
I said sit.
I know you think I'm overreacting.
No, I don't. You care for the kid. I get it. But the way you're acting is not doing him any favors.
Oh, how should I act, Mr. Rory? Please enlighten me with your vast emotional wisdom.
Well, you seem to forget I had a partner, too. The reason why Snart and I got on so well was, well, we trusted one another. We were friends. We had each other's backs.
Perhaps you've chosen the wrong analogy. Your partner is dead.
Well, I'm still on the ship.
Your point?
You're not exactly a spring chicken, Professor.
Your point?
My point is you're not going to be around for too much longer. And Jax has to learn how to do this stuff himself. Stop treating him like a kid and more like a partner. Partner.
You just threw me against the wall without laying a finger on me.
Yeah, I had no idea I could do that.
If you can throw me across the room, then you can open that door. This is your mind. You control everything.
Why do you care so much about getting me out of here?
Because I need your help. You sent the JSA on a mission to safeguard the Spear of Destiny. But the Legion has hunted down the fragments, all but one. Commander Steele has it, and only you know where he is. So you gotta get up. Because you're Captain Rip Hunter. And this is your mind, your ship, your rules.
I'm Rip Hunter.
Captain of the Wave Rider.
Captain of the Wave Rider. And I'm going to open a door with my mind.
You got this.
Captain Hunter. Captain Lance.
Who are you?
Sara, Gideon. Gideon, Sara.
You're Gideon.
Hello, Captain Lance.
But you're like, I mean, you're really...
Human?
I was gonna say hot, but yeah, that too. Let's get out of here. All right, Rip. We need you to tell us where Commander Steele is.
I don't know.
The Captain's consciousness is still under the control of this place. If you want him to tell you what you need to know, you're gonna have to get him out.
So you keep saying, but how do we get someone out of their own mind?
Or you have to remind him of who he truly is. All the artifacts of Captain Hunter's former life are located in
The parlor. Maybe we could jog his memory. Let's go.
Rip knows who he is. He's our prisoner. Isn't that right, Rip?
Look after Rip.
always.
Hey, what are you planning on doing now?
Guess we're gonna have to kick our own asses.
Looks like somebody forgot to bring their powers.
Doesn't matter where Jax runs. There's more of us than there are of you. Only difference is... we're real.